make your belly into jelly.
Oh, wow. Oh my goodness. Oh. Holy moly. That went all the way down, dude. All the way. Wow. I should have done that sooner, honestly. I don't know why I waited. Thank you. Wow. It's instant relief. Like the whole spine is just decompressed. It feels release. Honestly. I love it. Thank you. Even here, man, the neck up. Wow.
Still kicking too.
I don't think I've ever had this kind of like release up in my upper body, you know? Wow. It feels amazing.
When was the last time you
It's
felt this good?
loose. I don't even remember. This is new.
Get used to this.
Yeah. Wow. Even my posture, it feels like I don't have to force it as much. I felt like before I have to kind of like force myself to stand up straight. Now it feels natural. I love it. I'll be back. Relax. And it feels natural. Yeah. Very nice. If you're afraid, I wouldn't be. It's not as intense or scary as it looks, and it's definitely worth it.